Hi there, and thank you very much for joining me. My name's Paul, and today I've got the Maxus Deliver 9 panel van. Going to take you on a quick walk around, show you some of the features and the benefits that these fantastic vans have got to offer to you and to your business. First of all, though, I want to point out the manufacturer's warranty that comes with these vehicles. You've got a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty covered by Maxus. On top of that, they're also going to cover you with 5 years breakdown cover as well. Now, we've already applied on top of that a Gardex triple layer treatment. That's a paint protection pack. Helps to give you some protection against any negative effects of UV from sunlight, acidity and rainwater, anything that's going to cause premature aging, dimming or deterioration to the otherwise absolutely lovely finish. Now, with this vehicle, you've also got the LED daytime running lights there. You've got this lovely powerful xenon headlights. You've got embedded indicators into the mirror housings. Just moving around the vehicle now, you can see you've got a massive payload area there on the back half of the vehicle. Coming around the back, you can see you've also got parking sensors included there on the rear bumper. Now you've got 2 full height barn style doors as well, so lots and lots of easy access on the rear. And then you've got that lovely massive sliding door, so lots of easy access on the near side of the vehicle as well. So loads and loads of options going on there for you. Let's jump inside and have a look inside the vehicle. Okay, so moving into the rear of the vehicle, between the wheel arches there, 137 centimetres. You've got 187 centimetres from the floor to the bottom of the ribs on the ceiling there, and then from the bulkhead all the way along the floor to the back, you've got a lovely 330 centimetres of storage length. So there's loads of room in the back here for storage. An additional 45 centimetres on the opening above the bulkhead there, above the cab as well. So lots and lots going on there for you. Now you've also got lots of tie down points, so if you need anything harnessed down for stability or safety, it's going to make that very easy to do so. That said, the bottom half of the vehicle has already been lined, so you've got some protection if anything is in the back that should slip or fall. Looking at the floor, you've got that lovely rubber flooring there. That's very hard wearing, but also very, very easy to keep clean as well. You also see you've got the spare wheel that comes with this vehicle. That will be harnessed underneath the point of sale, just kept in the back there for security while on site. You've also got the LED light clusters at the top there, so if you are working in low light, that's going to make that lots and lots easier for you. So let's jump into the cab and have a look in from there. Okay, so moving in on the driver's side, lots of storage options in the door channels, as you can see there. Electronically controlled windows, electronic central locking, electronically controlled mirrors as well. Below the mirror controls, you've got the emergency SOS call button also. Looking at your seats, 3 adjustable headrests there, so maximum convenience there. You've got a pull-down picnic table, very useful as a hard surface for any invoicing, billing or journal entries. You've also got the pull-down armrests, so very, very useful there. Nice and convenient for the driver. You've got the tilt adjuster for the driver's backrest, the base of the driver's seat, and the height adjuster for the driver's seat as well. So loads and loads of conveniences. In terms of conveniences, you've also got a cup holder there at each extreme end of the vehicle. Nice large glove box. Now looking at the steering wheel controls. First of all, we're going to start the vehicle up, so just going to clutch down. And as you see, the vehicle starts nice and easy first time. Now looking at that dash display, nice crystal clear, easy to read display, no warning lights on there at all, which is perfect. And lots of options there for that central display. Now to go through those, all I'm using is the controls on the lower left of the steering wheel. Above those, you've got your cruise control options, media controls on the right hand side, wiper controls on the right hand, stalk lighting on the left, and as you can see there, you've also got automatic headlights that are included with this vehicle. And moving across from there, 6-speed manual gearbox, climate controls in the centre, and as you can see there, you've also got aircon included with this vehicle. You've also got traction control option, automatic stop start, assisted lane guidance, so lots going on there for you. You've also got a manual DPF regen button as well. Moving upwards from there, you've got the media system. So with this system, you've also got DAB radio included amongst the AM and FM bands. Also got Bluetooth connectivity, so streaming audio and hands-free calling options there. Moving upwards, looking at the top of the cab, lots of storage above the head heights. There's absolutely loads going on in this van for you, as I'm sure you'd agree. Really nicely finished, nice stylish design, lots and lots of room, nice and spacious in the cab here, really comfortable as well. Okay, so that is the Maxus Deliver 9 panel van. Fantastic vehicle, I'm sure you'd agree. Loads and loads of extras there for you and your business to benefit from. So if there's anything at all we can do to assist with a purchase, please feel free, don't hesitate to let us know. It'll be a pleasure to look after you however we possibly can. Aside from that, thank you very much once again for taking the time to have a look around this fantastic vehicle with me. Have a fantastic day ahead, and we'll look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye now.